Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn the if function, one of Excel's most useful logical tools. In front of us, we have a table of students with their obtained marks. The students who have more than 80 marks are passed. Else, they are failed. To do this automatically with a formula, we use an if condition. The if function tests a condition and returns one value if the condition is true, and another if it is false. The syntax is equals if, open bracket, logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false, close bracket. For example, to mark students as pass or fail based on a score in cell B2, type this formula in cell C2. Press enter, and you can see this student is passed, because his marks are more than 80. Now copy the formula down the column to apply it to all students. The if function can also return numbers, text, or even other formulas. In this sheet, we have employees with their salaries given. We want to give a bonus to the employees who have a salary more than $50,000. For that, type the formula in cell C2. This means, if the value in column B is greater than 50,000, the employee will get a bonus shown in column C. If not, then no bonus will be assigned. That's all for the if function. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Full Course Online.